In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WordPress site URL. Changing your site URL is a common task when you move to a new domain, switch from HTTP to HTTPS, or adjust where your site is served from. We'll walk through the process inside the WordPress dashboard so it's clear, safe, and straightforward. First, sign in to your WordPress admin area. From the left-hand menu, go to Settings, then select General. This is where WordPress stores your basic site information, including the URLs that control how your website is reached and where WordPress expects its files to be. On this page, you'll see two important fields: WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL. They look similar, but they serve different purposes. The WordPress address tells WordPress where its core files live. The site address is the public URL visitors use to access your website. In many cases, these two will be identical. However, if your WordPress installation is in a subdirectory but you want the site to appear at the root of your domain, these might differ. Click into the WordPress address field and carefully enter the new URL you want WordPress to use. Make sure the protocol is correct. Use HTTPS if your site has a valid SSL certificate. And be precise with spelling, subdomains, and any subdirectories. Avoid extra spaces and unnecessary trailing slashes. Next, update the site address field to match the public URL where you want people to visit your site. Again, confirm the protocol and domain are exactly right. If you've changed domains entirely, be sure that new domain already points to your server so the site can load properly after the change. When both fields look correct, scroll down and click Save Changes. WordPress will update your settings and may briefly log you out or redirect you. If you're prompted to sign in again, use your usual login at the new address. After saving, visit your home page and a few internal pages to confirm everything loads at the new URL. It's normal for your browser cache or a caching plugin to hold on to old links for a short time, so a quick refresh can help. If you notice mixed content warnings after moving to HTTPS, that simply means some assets still reference HTTP. Those can be corrected later by updating links within your content or theme settings. That's it. By updating the WordPress address and site address in settings, then saving your changes, you've successfully changed your WordPress site URL.